Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today's updates, channels, and stuff that's going on this week. I just took a break yesterday, but before all that, subscribe, like, and share if you guys haven't. And also, if you guys would like to support the channel in any other way, links are down below as well. If you have any used Warhammer or D&D minis and books and stuff that you want to get rid of and try to get some quick money, just let me know down in the comments or social media. I can buy some off of you guys, but I'm trying to find a lot of top cards right now, and it's not the price that I want to get. Um, because it's like a lot of these are old, and a lot of the stuff that's even though it's painted, and people think it's worth a lot of money even though it's painted, unless you're like a very famous painter in the YouTube realm of miniature, I'm probably gonna repaint it to match with my army. Uh, that's how everyone pretty much do it. A lot of time people do buy like a huge army or someone that has a color scheme they want, but I am very particular. I want all my army to kind of look the same. Uh, in my own terms for it. But yeah. So the update is I started the Nurglings. I took a break yesterday. I fixed my sleeping schedules a lot. These are the 3D printed Nurglings. I'm actually talking about an actual real one too. Just to have more. These guys are really freaking nasty. Uh, for a while, I think it's really good if you have a group of swarms of these guys. But I am learning a lot with the Nurgle army. There's like three different kind of factions in the 40k realm. Uh, I'm gonna try to figure out how to mix it with the demon version of the Nurgle and the Death Guard for it, and get like a 2,000 points for it, and do like an all day video. But I also want to do like a streaming thing, just us, me and my friend, just playing, get my ass handed to. But it was a close game with Nurgle versus Tyranid. I didn't do anything like get like a short or a film afterwards because I was so exhausted. My friends were so exhausted as well. But other than that, it is pretty good. I would say play Magic yesterday too. Just take a break from painting because it started to hurt my hands a lot. A lot of the times, it's been hurting my hands and my back because I've been sitting down 8 to 12 hours just getting this stuff done as well. This Saturday, the 10th edition for the Warhammer 40k should be released for it as well. I do want to get some Age of Sigmar stuff as well, so I'll be pre-ordering a lot of stuff. I'll be pre-ordering my Speed Pay 2.0 by next month. That should be released by end of May. My birthday is going to be mid of next month, so I'll have an Amazon list out for people if they want to get me some Warhammer. Because that's all I'm asking for right now. It's just Warhammer. I need Warhammer. I need paint. I need modeling stuff and so forth. That's what I am trying to get done and try to get over with for that as well. But if sometime I get anything for it, but that's fine. I'll buy it sooner or later down the road. I'll get the cheapest and save up for the most expensive one later on down. But it is what it is. Um, yeah, there's nothing really much going. I just opened the Wrath of the Soul Forge and built him. Forgot his name was. Wants to become a chaos god. But we have a lot of stuff. I have to order another 10 bottles of resin. The some of resin, I used all eight. Two I sold off to my friends for them to test it out. But we have to get that done as well. We are also trying to get other stuff getting ready for D&D miniatures. So we have bins. I have bins here and bins all the way back there on the wall for D&D miniatures that needs to be painted for it as well. And I'm going to be in multiple D&D game. I'm going to try to figure out if I can stream some of these D&D games as well. And another project is my friend that's a master carpenter. I was going to build a rack in the back, all this whole wall to hold some mini and some paint. I'm also thinking about putting some LEDs in the background just to make it bedazzle when you guys see me for it. I am also looking up to upgrade computer parts as well for this computer. Right now, the CPU that I looked like that I looked, it's an i9 13th gen. It's like $500. So the CPU is expensive. The motherboard's gonna be quite expensive. So it's gonna be like a upgrade to at least a $2,000 laptop. Then I pretty much need to process and do stuff that I need to do on this channel. So I don't think I'm gonna get the newer graphics card. Probably get the 30 series. I have no reason to get a 40 series yet, because a lot of times 30 series will actually cover it, and it's also a little bit cheaper for it. But I don't want to spend too much money on graphics cards. I use a 2070 Super right now, and it does great things for it. But we will see how it goes. I'm freaking tired at 6 something in the morning. Go to CSL and get plasma done for it, so I'll have to pay for a lot of stuff for my hobbies. Yeah, one thing people will tell you, this hobby is very expensive. It's rewarding, but very expensive in many other ways that you can think of. But it's one of those things. It is something to keep your mind off of things. It's something for you to do things for it for a long period of time. But a lot of times these update videos, I just say stuff out of my ass. But it is what it is. But I can't wait. The freaking cannons on these tanks are finally done fine. So I have to like literally freaking resin seal it for this guy. And these things cost $60. And how much it cost me to build this thing? I think it was oh, I think it was something like that. I think it costs about like freaking $60-$80 just to get one of these, but like less than like $18 I could print one of the tanks for it. The files are free, so yeah. So well, it's a lot of 3D printing. Even though you don't have to, even though you're not going to tournaments for GW, but you guys should go to the game store and play it. Because they don't, a lot of the game store don't sell a lot of the models for it because they know that it is ridiculously expensive. And it's a lot cheaper just to buy a lot of the hobby stuff on Amazon, and especially for your models as well, because like the great and clean ones like 160 or 180, but on Amazon $120. So it's like a big $20-$60 difference on prices for a lot of things. So a lot of times just buy on Amazon because Amazon can sell it in bulk in multiple pieces, and that's how they get their money for it as well. Well, there's nothing I have, but if there's anything you want to see me talk about, leave it down in the comments and let me know. I am slowly getting my rhythm back again. I just need that break. Yesterday I was so exhausted and my sleeping schedule was so screwed up in many ways that I had to get it back because usually my time resets like at night. So because I'm mostly a night person, but I need to, I want to like sleep with my wife in the same bed, so I try to revert myself back to during days again. Well, now, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know anything else we talk about. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below. I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.